Hello everyone. So this is the parcel which I received from the OnlyIAS. Actually, I have purchased their Praarambh batch. I have joined the Praarambh batch 2, which has started from 20th of Jan. So I have received this parcel containing 21 books, I think. Let's see and watch what it is in. So this is what we can see, the parcel of motivation containing 21 books might be. I'm trying to open it in a very fast manner. Packaging, I think it is very good. The books are safe. Actually, I have paid the amount around 5 to 6th of July, and I have received the books within a week, in a very short span of time. That's good because while you are doing your work of taking video lecture, and with that you can revise from the books as well if you receive the books on time. So this is what we have of medieval history, and I think content is good. Uh, Governance, font size, writing, text, everything is fine, readable. Indian society, and this is what we have of world history, Indian geography, modern Indian history for means, ethics, human geography, ecology and environment, world geography. The books are very fine. Internal security, ancient history, art and culture. There are separate books for pre and means, international relation, Indian economy, physical geography, science and tech, and there we go with modern history. Thank you.